In this video, I want to show you how to delete messages on your iPhone. So to delete messages on your iPhone, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to locate the message app on your iPhone and launch it. So let's look for that. So what I just want you to do here, I want you to tap on your message app and it will bring you to your message. So once you get to the message, as you can see, I have three messages here. I have three inbox here. So how do I clear these messages? How do I delete these messages? To delete any message, the first thing you want to do, you want to look for the message you want to delete. So once you get to the message you want to delete, you want to tap and hold on the message. Let me take it again. You want to look for the message, then you tap and hold on that message. So let's tap and hold on the message we are here to delete. So once you tap and hold on the message you want to delete, if you check the bottom part here, it says delete. So you just want to tap on that delete and this message will be deleted from this iPhone successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually delete any message or any inbox on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.